welcome back to my channel. I know I have like a month without uploading to this channel, but I have a Spanish channel if you didn't know. I'll be leaving it in the description box below if you're bilingual and you would like to go to my other channel. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to shave your punani, girl. I know for my first time, I had a lot of trouble. I didn't know because my mom never teach me. You know, sometimes we have those kind of moms that don't want to be teaching you, or just simply, I don't know. My mom was like that. She was never like, oh, this is how you do it. No, I had to learn myself, and I went through a lot of stuff and irritation and little bumps until now that I really know how to shave my punani. So if you want to learn how to shave down there, then just keep on watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get started. I have lipstick all over my thumb, but yeah, let's get started. First thing you have to know when you're shaving is you want to know what method. There's different types of methods you could use shaving. The cream, that the Nazar cream I think it's called, I'll be leaving a picture. Also there is wax and the razor. So in this occasion I'm going to be showing you how to do it with the razor. And first thing you have to do is trim your little hairs. Okay, so when you're shaving for the first time, your hair are very long, so you have to trim with some scissors, girl, because you can't just go ahead and raise it straight through because it's gonna be stuck in the razor. So you have to trim those hairs first, not all of them completely, but like trim all you can, and then we could get started with the procedure. There's different types of shaving methods, so you could shave everything. For you could have like a baby punani, or there's the Brazilian one that you leave like little hair in the center. I just shaved my whole punani because it's easier. I don't have to be shaping and like, no, you have to be like really careful. I just shaved the whole thing. I just think it's easier and it looks better too. Okay, so it's very important that when you're shaving with a razor, you do it in the tub and you do it with hot water. That way your pores open up and they look way better. And they are very easy. It's gonna get easier for you to like take it off. Make sure your razor has a lot of gel for it to protect more your skin and your skin doesn't end up dry and it doesn't damage or anything like that. And please only use a razor that is for that specific area. So don't use a razor for your armpits and then use it in your punani and everything. No. So when you start shaving, main error, girl, that I did, you know that hair grow in the downward directions, and if you shave the opposite way, it's going to irritate the hell out of your punani, okay? And then it's gonna look so ugly, and having bumps on your punani when you open up your lips for your man is not cute. So make sure you shave. I shave twice down and then I just do one up. Just one up, girl. Don't do it like 3 times. And I'm going to guarantee you, okay, I have years doing this, it's going to look nice, okay? You don't have to be spending mad money to go to Brazilian wax and whatever. So the last thing I wanted to say is prevent putting alcohol or something that has alcohol or perfume in your punani, because one is going to be irritating and it's going to burn the fuck out of your punani. Don't ever do that, and it could give you a very serious infection down there, like yeast infection, and it's going to be smelling like fish and stuff, and we don't want our punani smelling like fish. So I hope you enjoyed this video. These were tips that, you know, just giving you some tips for your boyfriend could be the happiest man of earth, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Once again, follow me on my social media like Instagram, Facebook, and that's about it. I don't use Twitter or nothing like that. Everything will be listed in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next video.